Welcome back student. Good morning. Today in mathematics I am going to start addition of integers. How can you add integers? See, suppose to you have 7 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. You have three integers 1, 2 and 3. How can you add the integers with negative numbers but outside positive sign? Really it is the negative sign. How? The multiplication of plus and minus will be always minus. Here you can see, if you multiply plus multiply by plus, result is always come plus. If you multiply plus multiply with minus, result will come minus. If you multiply minus multiply by plus, then also result will minus. And if you multiply minus with minus, it means result will be positive. So this is the particular multiplication of symbol, and you have to use these symbols in addition of integers or subtraction of integers. If this is bracket and out of bracket if it is given symbol, so you have to multiply the symbol. It means between plus and minus, it is the multiplication symbol. Multiplication symbol. It means if you multiply plus with minus, it means plus with minus, always it will become minus. So in this way, really it is minus. So 7 plus minus minus 2 and plus minus minus 3. You can see, you can solve this expression in two ways. One is you can take plus 7 and minus 2. So 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 7 is positive, minus 2 is negative, 7 minus 2, it means 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Again minus 3 here, you can solve it. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. In this way, the answer is positive 2. Another way also you can solve. If you want to, you can solve like this, or if you want to solve from here, or like this also you can solve. Firstly, from this state, minus 3 and minus 2. Symbol is in minus, but you can add together and you can represent it with minus symbol. Means with negative integers. How? 3 to 5 minus 5. It means 7 minus 3 to 5 minus 5. You can add 3 to 5, but symbol will be minus because both are minus. So minus 5. After this, 7 minus 5, 2. So in this way also answer is 2, and in this way also answer is 2. What you are understanding, you can solve. Both processes are good. Next, exercise number 4C. Self practice 4C. You see, self practice 4C. Self practice 4C. Question number first A. It is very simple. 20 plus 16 you can add. no matter, simply you can add. Question number B. First B, you can see first B. Minus 21 plus minus 9. Minus 21 plus minus 9. You can see here. Here it is bracket. Outer bracket it is given plus, and inside bracket it is given minus. So you can multiply with plus, multiply by minus. So plus multiply by minus, result will always come minus. So this way, this is minus 21 and plus minus result will be minus 9. So after that, both numbers are in negative, means both are negative integers. So you can add together, means 21, 19 you can add together, but symbol must be in minus, because both symbols are in minus. But activities you can do, plus activities you can add together, means it means in your mind it's minus, it means 21 plus 9, like that. Also you can write this one like that. You can add together, means minus 21 plus 9. After that, you can add together 21 plus 9, 30. Here minus 30. So in this way, you can add together. This step you may write also, or you may not write also. But minus 21, minus 9 you can add together, result will be minus 30. Like that also you can understand as taking in bracket 21 plus 9 and outside minus. In this way also you can solve. Question number C. 70 plus minus 22. You can see 70 plus minus result minus. Here you can write minus 22. Here you can see positive value is more than negative value, means positive value, it means 70 is more than minus 22. It means the value will become in positive, means 22 is easily can be subtracted from 70. So 10 minus 2, 8. Here it will be 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 48. So 48 is answer. After that, you can solve question number D. Question number D. What is question number D? Minus 100 plus 80. Minus 100 plus 80. You can see the digit value of negative integer is minus, but here positive integer is plus 80. It means from that minus 100 you can add plus 80, so it will come as 100 minus. It means you understand 100 minus 80, but minus here because this is minus symbol, so this will be minus 100 minus 80, 20, minus 20. So minus 100 plus 80 means minus 20. After that, if the integers digit value is equal but they are represented with opposite sign, then value will be 0. You can see question number E. Minus 15 plus 15. You can see 15 this also, but one is minus, one is plus. It means digits are same, but they are with opposite symbol. It means value will be 0. Value will be 0. So if the digit is same but with the opposite symbol, it means then value will be 0. Means minus 15 plus 15, 0. Minus 10 plus 10, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. Like that. Question number F. Minus 4 plus minus 7 plus minus 8. You can see minus 4 plus minus symbol. You can multiply, it will come minus. Minus 7 plus minus multiply, it will come minus 8. So you can see all the numbers are negative. Minus 4 also negative, minus 7 also negative, minus 8 also negative. In this way, you can add together and present with minus symbol like that. Minus 4 plus 7 plus 8. After that, 8, 7, 15, 15 and 4, 90. Means 90, minus 90. You can write this symbol minus 90. So, minus 19 is answer. In this way, you can solve the question. Question number first. Okay. Question number second. Write the addition expression represented by the number line. So, it is very nice question. You can draw the diagram in your copy and you can write answer as after understanding the question that given in figure as number line. Question of first, you can see. Second, A, B, C, D, E, F. In second A, you can see it is given 5 plus 3 means from 0 to 5 and plus 3 both are positive. So 5 plus 3 it will be 8. It will be 8. 8 or plus 8 same thing. Question number B. It is given minus 7 plus 4. Question is given minus 7 plus 4. You can see in your diagram. So minus 7 plus 4. It means what is gap? How many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3. So after that 1, 2, 3 gaps are there. As you can solve that like that. Minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4. It means minus 3. You can see 3 gaps are there. Before 0, 1 gap. 0 to minus 1, 1 gap. Minus 1 to minus 2, 2 gap. Minus 2, minus 3, 3 gap. So minus 7 plus 4, it means minus 3. So minus 3 is there because gaps are there. 3 gap. 3 gap, 0 to left side. It means minus 3. Question number C. You can see 9 plus minus 3. 9 plus minus 3. How many gaps are there? You can count. From 0 to 6 you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 means plus 6. So it means plus 6 means 6. You can write 6. D. Minus 7 plus minus 4. You can count all the gaps. Minus 7 means minus 11 to minus 4. And minus 4 means minus 4 to 0. So you can count this minus 11. So minus 7 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 11. It will come minus 11. Question number E. Minus 5 and plus 5. You can see there is no gaps. Means beginning and end both are same. It means minus 5 and 5. If we are adding, result is 0. So you can see 0 is there, so 0. Result is 0. After that, you can see 11 minus 3 minus 6. 11 gaps are there. So F, you can see how many as 0 minus 3 to 8. There are 11 gaps. And minus 3 minus 6. So it is going, 11 is going to right side as from minus 3 to minus 8. And 6, 3, here 9. Minus 6, minus 3, minus 9. So here you can see 0 to 1 and 2. How many gaps? You can see 2 gaps only. So here it will be 2. So 11 minus 3 minus 6. It means 2. Means 2. You can feel 2. Like that also you can understand. 11 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. Like that. So 11 plus minus 3 and minus 6. So 11 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. 11 minus 9, 2. So like that, result will come 2. At last, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. You can see this gap as from 8 to as left side minus 6. So you can see. Okay. In this way, you solve question number 1 and 2 in your copy. I will explain tomorrow question number 3 to 7 for today's class. Thank you.